Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and in today's video we are going to prepare Junbiri Pitha. As you can see, this one is somewhat similar to the jewelry that I am wearing. This is called as Junbiri, and because this pitha looks somewhat similar to it, this is also named as Junbiri Pitha. There are so many different recipes which are prepared during this time, like mid-January when Bihu is celebrated, Magh Bihu, and it is celebrated by preparing a lot of different edible things. Because of limitation in time and a toddler running around the house, I decided on few things which can be easily prepared, less time consuming but are tasty. This is one of them, and now let's see the process. Here I am taking about half a kg of maida. Into this I am adding kalonji. Now kalonji is optional for making this pitha, but if you like it you can add. Adding salt as per taste and about half a spoon of oil. Give everything a good mix, and now by adding little water at a time we'll knead this into a dough. Once the dough is ready, we'll let it set for a few minutes, and in the meanwhile we'll make the other preparations. Here I had already chopped a coconut. I'm not removing the skin, but if you have time and if you want to do it, you can do that as well. But it's absolutely okay if you are using it with the skin. We'll grind this into a coarse powder, and here I'm heating up a frying pan, and we'll add bit of ghee just to grease the pan so that it is not sticking in the pan. And now we will roast the coconut in low flame. Adding pinch of elaichi powder. We'll give this a good mix and allow this to cook. Once it is about 80% cooked, I'm adding jaggery into this. We'll allow the jaggery to melt and cook it for a few more minutes. Then switch off the flame and allow it to rest. With the help of the maida dough, we'll roll this into like rotis, and also we'll heat up a kadhai and let the oil heat. Here our roti is ready. With the help of this shaper, I will take the roti, add the coconut mixture, and then seal it. Because this is made of plastic, it might not be very strong, so make sure that you are pressing the edges so that it's not coming out. And once it is ready, we need to fry it. You can even fry 2, 3 or more at once if you are adding more oil. I fried 2 of these at once, and here the pitha is ready. So I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.